Hi, this is Evelyn from EC Projects. Today I'm going to show you how to spice up your basic gin and tonic with a couple little additives that you can probably find around the house. First, you should pick a high quality tonic as well as a high quality gin. Today I'm using Aviation American gin that has this beautiful lavender and allspice element to it, and Fever Tree premium tonic water. I'm going to make a Spanish style gin and tonic that accentuates all the beautiful botanicals in Aviation. So I'm going to start off with 1.5 ounces of Aviation gin. Then I'm going to add 1/2 ounce of a peach and mint cordial, recipe found at evelynchickprojects.com, and 1/4 ounce of Supa Sawa, which is a great alternative to your regular citrus. Then I'm going to add some ice and give it a nice stir. I'm going to top it up with a bit of Fever Tree premium tonic. And integrate it into the drink. Now the reason why I'm using a big bowl glass is because you can add some different garnishes in there to accentuate your gin and tonic. I personally really love grapefruit. I think it kind of brings out the allspice element of the gin. A couple lemon and lime wheels. And because the peach and mint is already so fresh within that cordial that I made, I'm actually going to add some sage in there for a savory element that'll go really nicely with the tonic.